What if your family had to borrow money just to pay for your funeral, only because you never planned for one unavoidable expense? Most people think life insurance is only about replacing income, but sometimes protecting your family starts with something much simpler. That's exactly why final expense life insurance exists. It's designed to remove one financial burden during one of life's most difficult moments. Unlike large life insurance policies built to replace decades of income, final expense insurance focuses on one specific goal. Most final expense policies are permanent whole life insurance. That means they can stay active for your lifetime as long as the premiums continue to be paid. The coverage amounts are usually much smaller than traditional life insurance because the purpose isn't replacing years of income, it's covering immediate expenses. Many of these policies also build cash value over time, although that's rarely the main reason people buy them. One reason final expense insurance has become popular is that qualifying is often simpler than applying for larger life insurance policies. But easier approval often comes with one important trade-off. You may pay more for each dollar of coverage. So what exactly can your family use this money for? Although it's called final expense insurance, your beneficiary usually decides how the money is actually spent. It can help pay for funeral services, burial or cremation costs, medical bills, small debts, and immediate household expenses when your family needs cash the most. Now here's something many people don't realize. Final expense insurance doesn't cover everything. If your goal is replacing years of lost income, paying off a large mortgage, or protecting young children for decades, this probably isn't the policy you're looking for. Final expense insurance is built for one specific mission: helping your family handle immediate costs after you're gone. And before buying any policy, there's one detail you absolutely need to understand: waiting periods. Not every final expense policy pays the full benefit immediately. That depends on the type of policy you qualify for. A level benefit policy usually starts paying the full death benefit from day one, assuming you're approved through the insurer's health questions. A graded benefit policy works differently. During the first few years, the benefit may be limited before eventually increasing to the full amount. Guaranteed issue policies are usually the easiest to qualify for because they often ask no health questions at all. So before signing anything, always ask one simple question: when does my family receive the full benefit? Next comes another important decision: choosing the right amount of coverage. Start by estimating funeral costs, burial or cremation expenses, medical bills, and any immediate household costs your family might face. Then subtract any savings, prepaid funeral arrangements, or existing life insurance. What's left is the financial gap your policy should fill. So, when is the right time to actually buy final expense life insurance? The best time is usually while you're still healthy enough to qualify for better policy options and affordable premiums. If you're living on a fixed retirement income, planning early can also help you lock in premiums that comfortably fit your monthly budget. Many people decide it's time to buy after realizing they haven't set aside enough savings to cover funeral expenses. Others simply don't want their loved ones worrying about money while they're grieving. That peace of mind is often the biggest reason people choose this type of coverage. Once you've decided you need coverage, the next step is comparing policies, not just prices. Compare whether premiums stay level, whether there's a waiting period, how much coverage you're getting, and whether any optional riders actually solve a real need. The cheapest policy isn't always the best value. A slightly higher premium may provide immediate benefits and stronger protection when your family needs it most. One mistake many people make is buying more coverage than they can comfortably afford. A policy only works if you can keep it active for years to come. Keep your policy information, beneficiary details, and your final wishes somewhere your family can easily find them. If you're ready to explore your options, get a free life insurance quote from Quote Maestro today and build a plan that gives your loved ones lasting peace of mind.